Montenegro and Serbia came into existence as a sovereign state in June 2006. In July 2011, South Sudan became an independent sovereign state, thereby making it 195 sovereign states in the world. Why can't Biafra get their own sovereignty? Come on!
Be free. I said we must go out of Nigeria. I said we must go. Biafra must be free. I said we must go out of Nigeria. I said we must go. Biafra must be free. I said we must go out of Nigeria. I said we must go. Biafra must be free. I said we must go out of Nigeria. Every day by day, Biafra suffering persecution. Every day, Biafra suffering persecution. All the time, Biafra suffering intimidation. All the time, Biafra suffering intimidation. In the hands of a useless government. In the hands of the hopeless government. That's why Biafran people scatter all over the world. That's why Biafran people scatter all over the earth. Anywhere you go, you must see Biafrans. Anywhere you go, you must see Biafrans. Anywhere you go, you must see Biafrans. Anywhere you go, you must see. If you go America, must see Biafrans. If you go Jamaica, must see Biafrans. If you go Malaysia, must see Biafrans. If you go Jamaica, must see. Anywhere you go, you must see Biafrans. Anywhere you go, you must see. Anywhere you go, you must see Biafrans. Anywhere you go, you must see. Biafran is everywhere. Go. Biafra must be free. I said we must go out of Nigeria. I said we must go. Biafra must be free. I said we must go out of Nigeria. I said we must go. Biafra must be free. I said we must go out of Nigeria. I said we must go. Biafra must be free. I said we must go out of Nigeria. August 30th of the 2015. August 30th of the 2015. They are shooting, they are killing children of Biafra. They are shooting, they are killing children of Biafrans. When the return now they came to hear this. When the return now they came to hear this. He got so much annoyed and he stand up for our right. He sent a petition to United Nations. He sent a petition to American people. He told IPOB to sign the petition. IPOB now are signing the petition. When the return now they came to the zoo. When the return now they came to the zoo. He was arrested by DSS. He was unlawfully detained and tortured.
Yes, my people, once again. Yes, my people, once again. My people, once again. Yes, my people, once again. I just want to make it very short because I want to prove to the Facebook and I want to prove to them that when it comes to combining and when we say we want to do something, we will do it. Me, I don't, you know. So, my people, see, just because of the very soon that very Ogbenge event will start. I just come once again to announce and to remind my people that by 7 o'clock, our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will be live. Please make sure you tune in. Today we are serious. And then we all can see that the enemies are trying so hard, pushing so forward to make sure to create intimidation, to create friction, intimidation that doesn't exist. So all those things that they are doing is just wave them by the corner, because the main issue is coming. The main war that they are looking for is coming. The main trouble that they are looking for is coming. And as we keep telling them, and once again in this video, share it to go viral to all your so-called political nonsense, right? Political leader nonsense. Nobody care about them anymore. You understand me? So now, both the Duduas, both the Middle Belt, both the Hausas, and moreover the Biafrans, we have unified. Now, this video, keep it. You see, the Fulanis, they are going to have it raw. Because one thing that they don't understand is that the British and the Arabs, the Saudis, they use them because these people, in their own continent, they wipe out all the whole nomadic people. These people that are living the kind of lifestyle that the Fulanis are living in Africa. So, and now they were just using Fulanis as the foot soldiers to be distracting Africa. And what this signal that they are sending to us, we have really understand it. And the thing that we want to tell them is, yes, indeed, we have understand the message, and we are going to reply them back. What are we going to reply them back? The Fulanis, the Fulani terrorists, the Janjaweed, those who are carrying AK-47, going around and killing people. We are going to tell them, you see, in Europe, they don't allow you people. They wipe the people that live such kind of life. In Germany, you understand me? Then in Arab country, they did the same thing. Then in Africa, in Asia, they did the same thing. Then in African continent, this is our time. By the time that the Fulani are being dealt with in Biafra land and in the coastal region, in the West Africa, by the time now that we finish dealing with them, due to what? So like I was saying, by the time that the Middle Belt also started dealing with them, you know what, they begin to look for another. Look, let me tell you something. Once it starts in our place, everybody's going to face them. Everybody in the whole African continent. Because one thing that they were joking, they are joking with the media war. They are joking with the information about them that is being spread all over the world. They are not going to have a hiding place. They will have no place to run to and nowhere to hide. Because nobody will tolerate their way of life. Nobody. I don't think that any country, I don't think that anybody in Africa, people have begun to learn a lesson. Other African countries are now getting ready in case anything start, we start paying them back. They will have no place to run to, no place to hide. This is the assurance everybody must have. Then another thing is this. You know, some of our people that are still shivering, that are still afraid, in panic, you don't need to. You don't need to. You don't need to. We are telling you that you don't need to. Anyị zuru keme, anyị kwadoro akwado, anyị kwacha ndị aka anyị egosi ebe ha ga-adaba. And ebe ha ga-adakpu by this time na ga-awụ n'olulu. And the olulu ha anyị guru ha ka ha na-adakpu na that place ka anyị na-eklu ka the olulu ga-close ha once and for all. Once and for all, they will not exist again. We will follow them bomber to bomber. Because after we finish dealing with them and Nigeria is divided, let them not forget that we will still be member of AU. And no, as long as we will be the member of AU, no country, no place in Africa will we give them chance. Because we have Anya Motago saying that these people, if you give them one finger, they need the full hand. So there is no place. We are not just only are we are going to pursue them in our land. We are going to drive them out of West Africa, and we are going to follow them anywhere they go. They do not know what they have provoked. For years we have been trying, we have been trying all the best, everything to see that we coexist in peace. But all they have been dishing out his pieces. And then today, from today, this moment, in this time, the day that it will set, as it is setting now, they will know. Mata ife Igbo kwere say that na anyị ga-egosi ha ife ndị mmụọ ji ntị oke eme. So my people, once again, like I said, this one is a very short broadcast. You know, today I was just like, okay, how can we be able to, you know, work things out? But you know that once you possess this, once the spirit of Biafra possessed you, even when you are eating, if you have not fulfilled one of your obligations, that, I mean, if you have not do the thing where you're supposed to do, you yourself, you know, they feel comfortable. You know, they feel comfortable. Even other people go to tell you, leave and wait. Now, when you get time, you understand me? This thing is not when you get time. Even if not 5 minutes, even if not 5 seconds, even if not 2 minutes, where we just take drop information, where we just take ginger our people, where we just motivate our people, where we give our people another morale. My people, make nobody know verse. Oh, sometimes, you know, person know they know how you could take impact this thing, you know, infuse it in our people. Make them understand, say, no shaking, no shell. Nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. All these people, all the people where they fear, we no go do this. Na lie. Na lie, like this our brother saying, he saying that Lai Mohammed. All the people where they try Felicia Barakbara, they are nothing but Lai Mohammed. Lai Mohammed. So make anybody no fear. Biafrans, you guys, Biafrans are great people, wonderful people, excellent people, powerful people, intelligent people, hard-working people, law-abiding people, great and motivators. There is no place, any place where you go, you know, see Biafra, Biafra, make you just walk out from that place to come out to the go house. No, just stay for that place. You know, go favor you. You understand me? You understand? So, and if people with talented, say they put them for desert, then go turn them to very greeny island. Now the people where people want just every day they go wake up, come they kill like fowls and chickens. It no go happen again now. So my people, I know even come self, make I even come talk too much, do everything. I know what make you waste your data. Make sure that please you go and support and share everything about BMI. BMI, we must rise up and be in the front of the fundraising. This time around, anything anybody is talking now, what we need is okbo, moke ndebreba sinuo eneme fama mani okbo. Di anyi, orula ningbanji chona tana anye fama. Rekosala, anyi cho okbo, ka ingo se fama. Efo unu nda cho, okbo bi fine di na nke gurugo saya. Bring up. Enemy farmer, inimokbo, man. Everybody say inimokbo, man. If you give me cash, I will give you this. Will give you that thing where you want. Bring the cash, I will give you that which you want. Now the time where we dey be so. Now the time we be inimokbo, man. Now there is nothing else. So no matter what anybody is preaching, and BMI, we must be in the forefront to make sure that money must come out. Anybody who telling you anything, you see, very soon now, people will just go on the social media. You see, no be the thing where we talk, say, it's just the IPOB, it's just only to make money, to do people, the 419, they so on and so on and so on. My people, cool down. After the race, we go count the mile. The journey of 1,000 kilometers starts just with a step. And we have taken that bold step. Nothing will bring us back. And nobody is going to stop us. Come rain, come sun, we will make it. Just be strong And I'm leaving you with this word. Be bold and be strong and be of good courage. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. So we say God bless Biafra. God bless Oduduwa. God bless the Middle Belt. And God bless the Hausas. Right? Because God bless the Hausas. I'm talking of all the whole indigenous people in that contraption called Nigeria. God bless all of them. And we said, everybody, please keeping on. No matter, it is a time for all of us to come together. No matter each and every way that you can be of support, that you can be of need, that you can contribute. Nothing is too small, nothing is too big. Nothing is too small, nothing is too big. It is a time, let's secure our life. You understand me? We go first of all, secure our life before we begin to talk of wealth and before we begin to talk of rebuilding the land and doing all these things. So that is why from here, Smile, Amuzie, the Abreba Tupac, say to your my people, my lovely and wonderful, great people, I say please stay gold.